Hi, I am Roxana. Welcome to the WP Estate YouTube channel. In this video, I will show how to add shortcodes to the property page using the default template and also how to do it inside a custom Elementor property template. If you want to add a booking form, a calendar or any plugin widget directly on your property page, then you can use the shortcode section. First, we need the shortcode from a third-party plugin. Most plugins give you a shortcode in their settings. As an example, I have installed the WP Booking System plugin and I will show how to add a booking calendar in a property page. But you can use any third-party plugin for the purpose that you need. Now let's add the booking calendar in the default property page. For that, you will need to go to Properties, edit the property where you want to add the shortcode, scroll down to the Property Details section and click on Booking Shortcode. This shortcode will display on this specific property page. The content will show per property, so you can add different shortcodes per property if needed. I will save the change made. Before checking the property page, I will go to Theme Options, Property Page. Since I use an accordion layout for my property, I will go to Selection for Accordion Layout and I will make sure that the booking shortcode is selected to be visible in the property page. This is the element and it is added under the enabled column. So now by going to the property page, I will see the booking shortcode that I just added. The same can be done on a custom property template created with Elementor. For that, you will need to add the shortcode element in a custom template. I will go to the Studio Templates. I have a property custom template already created. First, I will edit the template and set it to be displayed as custom template for all properties. And next, I will go back to the Studio Templates and edit the template with Elementor to add the shortcode widget. The shortcode section can be added using the detail section widget. I will add it in the page with drag and drop, and from the drop down I will select the booking shortcode element. I will save changes, and now on all properties where the custom template will apply, the booking calendar will show. These are the steps that you need to take. You can now embed booking forms or any plugin features directly on your property page using shortcodes, whether you're using the default template or a custom Elementor template. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notifications on new videos.